Hi guys, this is Mitesh and welcome back to channel Tech Arc, where we talk about technology, do gadget reviews and do lot of tech related unboxing. So guys, today I have with me a lifestyle product that will definitely help you improve your lifestyle. And I know you must have seen my thumbnail. So from my thumbnail, you must have come to know that I will be talking about this Boat smartwatch that is from an Indian company. And guys, this is a budget smartwatch with lot of features in it. So guys, please make sure that you watch this entire video and share it with your friends. And guys, this smartwatch will definitely help you in your daily exercises, hitting gym and doing yoga. So guys, without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, so we are doing unboxing in this outdoor environment, which is a new experience for you all. So I hope you all enjoy it. So let's quickly unbox this one. So guys, I'm revealing the box. Okay, so this is a smartwatch which we are getting over here. So let me keep it aside and see other paperwork. So guys, here we get some paperwork. As you can see, this is a Boat card where they have showcased their other products, which you can see over here. So let's move on to the next paper. So here we get a user manual about the smartwatch, so which you can see over here. So now let's move back to the watch and its accessories. So here, as you can see, this is a charging cradle that we get in this box. So now let's move to the most exciting part about this box, is that the smartwatch. So let me reveal the smartwatch now. So guys, this is the Boat smartwatch. Okay guys, so let's switch on this watch. Okay, let's do it. So I'm removing the plastic coating. This is how the watch looks. So guys, I'm booting up the watch now. Okay. As you can notice, the boot time is very less, which is a nice thing. And now you can have a physical look of this watch. So let me open it and show you. So you can see the back side of this watch too, where all the sensors are located. So here we get an heart rate monitor. And here we get a physical dial along with this strap, which you can see over here. And the quality of strap looks nice, and even the dial is of premium quality. So let me wear it in my hand and show you. Okay guys, so I can strap it on very easily. As you can see, I can wear this watch very comfortably. So let's move to the watch. Okay guys, so talking about the color variants, here we get the smartwatch in black and blue color, and the price is 2,499 rupees. At the first impression, I like the overall design of this watch. The watch is very stylish and the build quality is also very good. The watch is made up of thermoplastic polyurethane and it has a square dial, which I liked it very much. And the display is of resolution 240 by 240 pixel resolution. As you know that the dial is square in shape, it has fairly acceptable bezel, though it has 1.3 inch touch display and the touch is very responsive. The glass is 2.5D curved and we get sensors like accelerometer, optical heart rate sensor, G sensor, etc. Here we get a special notification and alarm feature if there is incoming alarm ringing. The watch has very good battery life. The battery is of lithium polymer type and it can last up to 8 to 10 days. The watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. Now let's talk about its fitness features. As you see that the watch has a calorie count that shows how much calories we have burnt after workout. And then the steps count show how many steps you have traveled during the workout. Then this watch is also capable of monitoring your heart rate in the units in beats per minute unit, and then it has activity tracker with oxygen monitor, sleep monitoring, which is the only available for Android devices. Then we have sports mode like running, hiking, riding, climbing, treadmill, spinning and yoga. And it also has features like relax mode, which tells you when to breathe in and when to breathe out, which is notified by vibration on the hand. The watch has a calendar mode where you can regularly keep your track of your activities and set your fitness goals accordingly. And you can keep the track of your goal in the watch. And also you get a smart notifications from your smartphone, like in the form of text message from social media sites and etc. And you can use the smartwatch to control the music of your phone. You can change the track and receive notifications from apps. The smartwatch comes with a limited 1-year warranty which covers any type of manufacturing defects, but the physical defects are not covered in the warranty period.
Okay guys, so I just took a round of this park, and to tell you, I just couldn't feel the weight of this smartwatch. It is such a lightweight smartwatch that you won't even feel the weight. And talking about its live tracking feature, you get to see all the stats in the real time, and guys, it will help you to analyze and track your daily activities. So guys, to conclude, I will say that this smartwatch is perfect for most of you all. Talking from its design, it's very stylish and it's very light in weight. And guys, it has different kind of sports mode that will be sufficient for most of the crowd. And having that blood pressure monitoring and oxygen meter is cherry on the cake. And this smartwatch is perfect for most of the elderly people too. So guys, that's it. That was the review and my first impression of this Boat Storm smartwatch. And guys, I hope to see you in my next videos. Until then, take care.